So now welcome back to the presentation ceremony. So Shaheen Shabbir is the man of the match for his great performance, 4 for 39 in his 4 overs and then 45 of just 16 deliveries when Pakistani required such a miracle, but he has really done it. So he has proved that he is not only a bowler but he is a wonderful all-rounder. He is good with the bat too, and Hassan Ali surely is also good enough. And what a great contribution and what a match this one has been. Now, what I see the situation of the Indian side, they are really crying and they are really looking very, very amazed by such a great performance of the Pakistan. So really a great performance by the Pakistani, no doubt about it. So Sarfaraz Ahmed, the happy captain here, and Virat Kohli is surely a sad one. But of course, the game is a game. Cricket is a game of really luck sometimes, and sometimes you need a real hard work. And this time, of course, there was luck there was a hard work, there were of course the prayers of all the Pakistani nation. So thank you very much for watching for such a great match, and thank you very much for joining me. Inshallah, we'll be back soon with some another outstanding match presentation and outstanding match analysis and coverage. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.